Alright, so assalamualaikum to wabarakatuh. Yep, so let's get into it. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So I want to show you various activities you can have, or you can have with your children with Play-Doh, using Play-Doh. Okay, you can use Play-Doh for arithmetic, maths, literacy, language, pre-writing skills, fine motor skills, even gross motor skills. Yes, depending on how you use it, and so on. You can actually use it to discover your child interest. You can use it as an alternative to screen time, and so on. It's also a way for you to to bond with your kids, time together with your children, playing with them, and they are playing to learn. Yeah, they play, they learn, and you bond in a very interesting way, right? Okay, let's get into it. All right, so let's start by using it as learning colors. Okay, so while making your Play-Doh, you can see we've talked about the mixing of colors. So like that, you can kind of be creative about it. Let them learn colors, let them mix it, let them see how colors changes. Okay, so after that, then let's look at how to use it for arithmetic, math. All right, so bismillah, let's see. Okay, I'll be needing my pot. Okay, just to make it fun, and a gas cooker, right? Okay, right. So let's say you want to teach counting. You can just have one. Okay, one, two, right? So let's count using Play-Doh. So let's say you don't even have any other materials to teach your child, and you have Play-Doh. You're good to go, mashallah. Okay, you just roll it out. One. Okay, and one, two. See, that's a simple way to teach counting using Play-Doh. All right, so let's say we just want to add this up. Here's our addition sign. Okay, let's add 1 plus 2 together. What's it going to give us? Aisha, can you guess? Okay, why don't we just you see, now I'm kind of integrating, and you see the way we are rolling it, the way we are, that's a pre-writing skill. You see, your child doesn't know how to write, doesn't stop them to learn other concepts. You get? So now, yeah, we want to add it, making it fun. Actually, you can use whatever you have. I'm just showing you how creative you can be. Okay, so we now want to add this together and see what we have. Here's my little tongue. Mama, use what you have. They can simply use their Printer grip to pick it up. The 3 fingers necessary for writing, that's fine also. Okay, but if you have this and your child is able to hold it, all right. So one, let's fry our buns. Two, and 3. If you are a child, would you love to learn? Okay, so let's count everything. We have 1, 2, 3, right? So here is the model representing number 3. Mashallah. See, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. Mashallah. Just like that. What again? You want to do subtraction? Why not? 5 minus 2 equals... Okay, let's see. Let's count 5 Play-Dohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minus 2. So I want to eat 2 out of the 5 buns that we've made. All right, so can you please serve me on my plate? Here's our plate. I can find it. Okay, one, two. Two is gone. All right, so how many do we have left? One, two, three, mashallah. So don't mind me. All right, so mashallah, 5 minus 2 equals 3, and the lesson is learned. Everyone is happy and the relationship keeps blooming, right? Okay. Right, so that's it about mathematics with Play-Doh. Actually, you can be creative, and that's what the challenge is all about. Get creative, let me see what you can come up with, and remember to follow the rules. Okay, let's go into, okay, before that, let's do shapes. Let's learn shapes and sizes using Play-Doh. All right, okay. Um, Shapes, sizes using Play-Doh. Alright, so sorry about that. Okay, let's use color blue now. Alright. Yeah, you can see I have a wonderful roller here. Sister, Ukti, use whatever you have. You can use it. I actually love using what we have around, and everyone can relate with it, and everybody's fine. Okay, so we want to learn shapes and sizes. I'll teach it simultaneously so you can see how to make learning fun at home. It's your little one using Play-Doh. Okay, you will have to flatten it. Uh-oh. I ended up rolling it around the ruler. I was distracted a bit. Okay, so let's say this flower shape, we want to cut a big size and a small size. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, so you can simply ask your child where is the bigger and where is the smaller. And okay, don't mind me, when you are teaching children, you have to be lively, fun, and interesting. You don't want to be boring. You want to make the lessons relatable to them as much as you can. Okay, so let's see. A star, a big star. So this is a star shape, right? And even the arithmetic we learned, you can actually use your shape to count. Can you imagine? You can cut out 3 flowers, 2 flowers, and add the flowers together, and you have 5 flowers, and everybody's happy. Okay. Right, so yeah, let me see if this would cut the smaller okay. If you don't have cookie cutters, yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. And like this, you can even make flowers. You can make beautiful things using Play-Doh, mixing different colors together, and just have fun. So I said, if you don't have a what's it called, cookie cutters, and you want to make shape, do you have matchstick at home? Then there's no cause for alarm, right? So let's go into it. Let's bring back our little buns that we made earlier, and let's make a triangle shape. Okay, all right. Okay. Oh yeah, everything will still be the same size. How do I make a bigger triangle using this, then look for probably a bigger broom, neat broom. Please don't give them dirty broom. Or if you have popsicle stick, here you go, craft stick, popsicle stick. This thing, it actually has a smaller one. I thought I brought it out here, but it's fine. Let's use this. So we are making a bigger triangle. You can actually make any shape with this. Yes, I said any shape and I meant it. So it's for you to be creative about it. Yes, when they are playing, they end up mixing up some colors. It's fine. You don't have to be too serious, you know. Let them explore, and when they are mixing up the colors, it gives them another colors and they keep learning. Oh yeah. Right, and you can as well count with this and have fun with this, and you can even have triangle sound, and you are blending literacy to math to everything. Okay, what again? The smaller and the bigger. What again? Yeah, I think I should stop there. All right, you can as well use straws. Yes, you can use straws as well if that's what you have, and you can cut. Just be creative, sisters. All right, so that being said, let's move on to literacy. So I was saying you can say star. All right, bicycle. You can just stand your b on one of your Play-Doh. Fun. There you go. Vroom. Oh, bicycle doesn't say vroom. What sound does the bicycle say? Whatever. Okay. The fact is, or the bone of contention is that our bicycle arrived, and it's standing in front of the big sound. Bicycle. Okay. Oh, we have a fish, and the fish is what? Blue. Mr. Fish, please stand straight up. And what's the beginning sound? Fish. Okay. What again? Oh, let's spell using all right. Excuse me. What's that? Then let Mr. Bicycle run around it. Cup. I believe you got the gist, right? So, how many things have we blended in together? And if you don't have any of this, you can simply roll out. You see, Play-Doh is all rounder, just like working with clay. All right, so you can simply roll out, and make a very long snake. All right, make it as long as you can. Okay. All right. So what can we do with this? You can make your triangle. Okay. Does it look like a triangle? You can actually make it better. Okay, let me make letter C. All right, and so on. For your triangle to come out fine, you might need to make it in portions like this, like this, and like, sorry, I'm joining together. I mean, you don't okay, you get the gist, right? Oh, sorry. Okay. So that's it. What can you come up with using Play-Doh to have fun with your children at home? I'll look forward to seeing your activities. Let's blow up the internet together. Right? Okay, mashallah, barakallahu fikum, assalamu alaikum. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. Yes, sorry. Before we go, I'm bringing you back. For fine motor skill, you would like to have a scissors, and I will encourage you, if your child is a little bit way smaller, you can have a zigzag scissors till they understand the scissors rules. And you want them to cut Play-Doh. That's it. Let's make chin chin. You see, even in the kitchen, you would love to use your scissors to cut out your Play-Doh. It's very fun. Sorry, to cut out your dough for your chin chin. It's very interesting and fun. Alright? Okay. So, let me hear your feedback. Did you enjoy it? Are you practicing with the kids? And let me see your post flying around. Remember to tag me. Assalamu alaikum.